Welcome back to Geelus. Today we're diving into automated actions. They're used to perform specific tasks automatically based on certain triggers, like sending order ready SMS every time an item is marked done and many more. Let's learn how to set them up for your business. First, navigate to Settings. Locate and click on the Actions section. This is where you'll create and manage your automated actions. To create a new automated action, click the plus sign or Add New button here. This will open a window to configure your action. Give your automated action a clear and descriptive name. This helps you easily identify its purpose later. For example, Order Ready SMS or Email Register Closure. Now, let's define what Geelus will do automatically. Select the type of action you want from this drop-down menu. Here are your options. Open Cash Drawer. This action is used when you want your cash drawer to automatically open based on a specific trigger. For example, a successful payment might trigger the cash drawer to open. Print. Use this option to automatically print documents whenever a certain event occurs. These documents could be receipts, invoices, order summaries, or other relevant information. Send Email. This is one of the most versatile actions. It allows you to send automated emails to customers or staff. For our example, we'll use this to create a register closure report. Send Text Message. This action works similarly to sending an email, but instead delivers a text message to a customer's phone. Mark All Done and Mark All Collected are actions best suited for workflow management. Send HTTP Request. This powerful action lets Geelus communicate with external services and applications. For this illustration, since we want to send an automatic email whenever a register is closed, select the Send Email action type. Now, choose which email template you'd like to use from this drop-down menu. Let's choose Register Closure Report, for example. But how do you create these templates? Let's make a quick detour. These email templates are predefined formats you create. To create a new template, navigate to Settings. Print templates are layouts for commonly printed documents like receipts, invoices, and order summaries. Email templates for various purposes such as welcome emails, order confirmations, and reports. Similar to emails, here is for text message templates like an Order Ready SMS. Page templates such as transaction page, invoice receipt page, and many more. HTTP request templates for commonly used integrations with popular third-party services such as sending customer data to MailChimp, triggering actions in other applications, or integrating with third-party API. Now, let's create an email template. Click Add New Email Template. Customize your template according to your needs. We'll name this Register Closure Report. Fill out the details as needed. Feel free to explore. Write your message here. You can use tags accordingly. After customizing, save your template. You can see your saved templates in the left side. Going back. Once you've created your template, it will be available in your email using menu to select when configuring your automated action. Next is Trigger Action. The trigger determines when your automated action happens. There are several options in this drop-down menu. Let's select upon Register Closure as example. And that's it. Those are the main things you need to know to set up actions. Below, we can enable or disable confirmation before processing or delay sending of the actions. Make sure to save your template and select Add to Register. Now we can see the action we created here. Congratulations! That's how you set up an automated action.